In this video, I'll show you how to update Facebook Business Payout information step by step. First, sign in to Meta Business Suite and select the business portfolio you want to manage. From the dashboard, open Monetization and select Payouts or Payout Settings. Choose the payout account you want to update and open the Payment Information section. Here, you may be able to update your business details, tax information, bank account, or other available payout details. Enter the new information carefully and make sure it matches your official records. If Meta asks you to complete identity or business verification, follow the on-screen instructions and provide the required information. Review everything carefully, then save your changes. Finally, return to the payout settings and confirm that the updated information is showing correctly. Keep in mind that some payout details may require additional verification or may be temporarily unavailable while payments are being processed. That's how you can update Facebook Business Payout information in Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.